guys, today we are gonna play.
William, how do you get those clothes? That is literally so Robux.
Okay, yeah. I just bought some Robux right now.
How? Oh, with a gift card I give you.
Yeah.
I just wasted and I just
I'm sorry for you, my man.
2020.
Die!
Wait, it's not 2020, it's 2021.
One. Bruh. Bro, look at that girl. Bruh. Look at that. Look at that.
Please don't
Okay,
kill
die.
me.
Die. Oh, yeah. Okay. If you play this game, there's a shortcut here. Oh, but it's so hard to do it. It is so hard that I can't even do it because I'm pretty a noob, as you know.
I just give you 100 gift cards. Now you're wasting me for that.
Yes. Gone. Woohoo! I'm sorry for you, Caesar. But I wasted all your Robux just for one thing. Woohoo! Last one. Or unorganized, whatever
William.
it's called, chaos. What?
The medium
Mm-hmm.
is full.
What?
Never mind, it's not full.
It was full, was it?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to do this map so bad. Where in the world am I supposed to go? Oh.
Nice. Okay, William,
Spectate.
please.
Yeah.
Why do you even buy that mask?
I don't know. COVID-19, my man.
Oh,
Wear your mask!
COVID-19. Oh, yeah.
Quarantine.
I am gonna use black masks. Not that yours. That is not.
Oh, yes! Okay. Look at this.
Bummer.
Let's do this. Okay, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying.
Then I consider this. The water is all right behind your tail. You don't even have tail. But
Oh.
go. One try.
Yoo-hoo!
Liam is almost gonna be full. Liam, if you make it, I will be really.
So proud of me. I was the last one to be alive.
Is it full?
Yes. I am speeding up. If that even makes sense.
I hate you because you just wasted the whole thing.
Thank you, my
I was
man.
gonna buy Robux to that gift card, but when I saw,
Yeah.
it's really empty. What do you mean? Wow.
I don't really need a gravity coil. What?
I died.
Sure about that?
Yep. I
Mm-hmm. I see you right there.
died. No.
Okay, die!
This is my. This is my.
What? Go! Wait, what?
My
I can't even.
twin brother.
Where in the world am I supposed to go? Excuse me, Mr. Sharky with a little tiny face with a watermelon. Put that, get inside of this.
Wait.
Where my cousin last time was dead.
Wait.
Died right
wait.
there. Go.
William, I can't. Dude.
What?
When. I gotta leave, guys.
No.
I gotta leave.
No.
Give me a little moment.
Okay. How could? Okay, this is it.
Dude, William, I'm not even going home.
What?
I'm just gonna join again.
Okay.
I'm gonna play a little bit.
I'm just saying, this is it.
This is it.
Okay. Okay, get inside this button.
My man, what are you doing?
Woohoo!
My man, what are you doing?
Yeah.
You are literally.
No! Oh. Okay.
You gotta be kidding me. I don't have no wins.
Huh? You have no
wish
what?
you can. I wish you can have. I wish you can trade wins.
Oh. Girl. You just went up there. Didn't get that button. Wait, watermelon shark. Rip watermelon shark. Rest in peace.
You're so dead.
Yeah,
You're
I'm-
not dead.
I am dead.
You're not dead.
Yeah.
All fall.
Okay,
You
if that
shouldn't go for the.
oh, go
button.
in the
Dash,
go
dash,
go in this. Woohoo!
Easy. No.
Okay, I'm getting out. Okay,
Oh,
you
it's
game has ended. Game has ended. Okay.
William
Huh?
says I need to pay 300 Robux. No, cancel. I don't have any Robux.
For what? Extra lives?
I don't know. For the whole thing. For the whole thing in the shop.
Woohoo!
And I need 300 Robux.
Yeah.
Go there.
Can I even? Okay, I'm just speeding it up. Thank you.
You
Bah.
are a legend. Wait,
Look at this.
do you press the blue button? I'm gonna die.
No! I should have never done that. Okay, I'm so dead. I'm gonna go to hard by myself.
Just
No, never mind. I'm gonna do end this. I'm gonna do end this. Woohoo! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
William, I
go.
just died.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do end this right now.
Yo, there were
Okay. Look at this. No gravity coil. No nothing. I'm literally gonna win this level so easy. Maybe. Bro, why do I keep missing every jump? Ah! Jump! I hope the water is actually glitched. It's not glitched. It looks like it's glitched. Oh yeah, it was glitched. Okay, temporary solution. Okay. I remember this was actually one of the worst maps. You're doing hard. Are you sure about that?
on the server.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay,
By
I did touch it.
myself. I'm dead, right?
No.
I have 3 guys.
Then why you say you are yourself?
I don't know. Your choice.
What in the world was he even trying to say? Bombity boom, I can magic just like you. Okay, guys. So we're just gonna do all this solo. Oh, and if you wanna join my no. If you wanna join, I'm making a free giveaway, and first 3 comments actually get to win. Yeah. Or my cousin, I actually didn't even give him something. So yeah. Sorry, my cousin. So first 3 comments win. First one wins the best prize. Second one wins the medium prize, and last one wins the least prize. Huh?
The least price?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Well, not the most.
Oh.
Hallelujah. Where in the world are you? Because I'm literally gonna spectate. Where are you? Easy or what? Oh, you're hard. You're hard. Okay.
Or dude. Oh my god.
Okay.
Those guys don't. It's just.
Wear your mask, man.
Here.
Wait, I
These
was.
guys are an alien. Why they don't want to?
Oh, get too easy. Get too easy. Get too easy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at my shirts.
I already see your shirt. I'm gonna look at you and stare at you all the day. I'm staring at you.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
I don't have a mask. I'm gonna give you coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
Well,
Excuse
you
me,
choose
my
one.
man.
You
Okay.
choose one. Okay. never mind.
You choose what?
I thought you went.
Woohoo!
If I walk right there,
You should have died. Bro, look at this. Look at my prize. Look at this. I want to get 65 wins so I could. Oh yeah, it's only me and you. Woohoo!
I am so dead.
Sure about that.
I'm so
Ah! No! Excuse me. Okay, whatever. No gravity coil, no speed. Okay, get out of here. Get out of here, bro. Look at that water rise. Shortcut. No shortcut. Come on, dude. You got this. You got this.
Oh,
Yo, got this.
go.
Dude, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You got this. You're gonna get your very first win in your very first
Where are
account.
you going here?
You just stay down up there. Just stay up there. Don't go down. It's gonna be hard to get up again. Stay up. You see the plank there?
Yeah.
Get in there. Let's go. Let's go.
I jump. What else? I just jump.
Yeah, you just go to your side. Climb this ladder. Dude!
Ooh.
Climb.
Oh.
Climb the ladder. Right there. Yeah. And when you're up, just stay there. Yeah, okay, touched it. And you just go up. I'm gonna do the shortcut! And let's go. Woohoo!
I thought I just.
Ah, let's go! FBI, open up!
NBI open up. I'll do this one.
Okay, this was first try. There. Go, 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 go.
I'm not able to make it, William. Wait, there's only one person.
Oh, yeah. But how do you even saw it if you're just birdie inside? There's no one. Yeah.
Too late. Pow.
Get out of here, my man. Get out of here. Excuse me, but we're gonna play now. Ruffin.
Gotta
Well,
stay
yeah.
here, right?
Yeah, he sucks.
In the lap. Come on. Oh.
I remember actually the water was already okay. It was. Those guys are dead.
There.
Okay. Oh, yep. They're dead. 3.
They're not.
Bruh, look at that. Look at that girl. Look. She's like, where am I supposed to go? Okay. Okay. Okay, water's rising pretty slowly.
If I jump right there, I will.
Done!
I'm dead.
Mm,
This will break in a minute.
Oh, okay. This is easy. Look, you just go like this, and you just go like this, and like this, and like this, and like
Can
this,
I
and
do
like.
some jobs here?
Ah!
Let's
I'm
go
about
down.
to die. Am I? Yes, I'm about to die. I was about to die. Okay.
Good.
Danger zone.
Bow, bow, bow,
Okay. There you go. I touched that button.
bow.
Ah! Okay, let's go. Go. Okay, raising towers, whatever it's called.
This is
I think you have to go over here, yeah. And you just
lit.
go up here.
Lit.
No. No.
Why?
Okay. Okay, I just fall
Did you
down.
miss the?
No, because you were right there on my. Okay, you just go like this, like this, like this, and like this, and right here. No, don't come with me. I'm supposed to get a button right now.
Oh, then where are we?
Then I'm gonna go. Hope. Okay, jump right here, and then jump over here and jump over here.
Oh, didn't notice.
Dodge the little thingies like this because you could actually touch it. If you touch these, you'll definitely die. You got this. You got this. Yes. Escape.
I will do this.
Yeah, I already did that.
Whatever. You do it.
Did that. Woohoo! Go, go, go. Look at this. I have a prize.
Wait.
Yeah.
People there.
Oh. If I get inside.
It's full.
Dude, someone get out. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Get out, get out.
Wait.
Go to try it 2 times. Yes. Let's go in this one. And hard. Yoo-hoo.
Harder?
Yeah.
Hard?
Yeah. Let's go.
Dude, we should go to medium.
Yeah. Look, I want me to show you a trick. Look,
Yeah.
come over here, and jump like this, and try to do it like that. Jump up, and you'll get over here.
Nah,
Be careful.
too risky.
Sure, right? Nope, not too risky. I told you I should do the shortcut, but you should have gone the other side. Yeah, you should have gone the other side.
I'm so bad, William.
Okay.
Pow, pow, pow.
Oh, okay. Trust me. I remember this one was
Where
actually.
should we go then?
I'm dead. We're dead. Yeah, we're 100 dead. 100% dead.
Where are we supposed to go, William?
You'll see. Get over here. Yeah, go. Get up the ladder. Get up the ladder, and then go for the other button right there. Jump right there. The obstacles. Yeah.
No.
Okay. Game has sent.
I
Intermission.
don't want to do those. We'll do
Those
easy.
what? There's no easy. Okay, let's go to freaking easy. Get started.
Only
Okay.
one person.
Easy. But watch. Okay, I think she doesn't even know what she doing. Maybe. Yeah, she's not doing. She not doing properly. She not doing properly. Do not doing properly.
Can I see her? Double girl.
Spectate.
Double girl.
She had died. She has died. She has successfully died. I'll give her an award for winning the most dead person in the world. Okay. 4.
And it
3.
doesn't make sense that the water can kill you instantly. Wait, is it full?
Yep.
Literally full of what?
Rabbit coils, guys.
A lot of people have gravity coils?
Yep.
How many?
Like 6 or something like that.
That's super good. You know why?
Because you're dead.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. This is literally the hardest. Okay, this wasn't. That's a risky jump. Bruh, this guy have particles. Okay, how can I buy? Can I buy some? I want particles. I want a blue fire. Thank you. Woohoo! A blue fire.
Do you use it for your Robux?
No, it's
Oh.
it's for the winning.
Okay, I was
Power
just stay right
required. Lol.
here. Lol, 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 lol. Can we?
Bruh, we can already get up. No!
I shouldn't, bruh. I didn't know that. I didn't know that was the jump. Wait, you died?
Yeah. Okay,
That guy didn't turn the. No, please don't die.
okay.
Man.
I'm gonna do my last round right here. I'm sorry, Caesar, but I'm not gonna play with you this day. Okay, go die, because there's literally a mode right here that literally no one's playing. It's medium.
Sorry, William. Didn't die. Too late.
3, 2, 1.
Bye.
Okay, this will be the last round I will be playing in this video, and yeah. So remember to follow me in my Facebook page called William YouTube, and yeah. So just enjoy right now. Yo.
Yo,
Go!
yo, yo.
Wait, why am I not using my grab? Okay, yeah. Okay, so this will be the end of my video. And if you want to watch more content like this, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll make like 16 more parts
Oh,
like this.
literally.
And if you
almost
guys
done.
decide if I should play another game, so yeah. So peace out.